Hello, my name is Anna Brandt, and you're going to be seeing a few wrapping videos that I have created for you to show you some different unique ways of wrapping. After wrapping babies for 20 years, I have to constantly educate myself and to find ways to be more creative. I'm going to show you 3 samples of wraps that I use most of the time. Understand that with these 3 types of wraps, I probably have 100 variations of each type of wrap. I have many wraps. Now when you're starting out, you may just have a few. My biggest advice I can tell you with wraps is to make sure to have multiple wraps of the same color. Especially now, you don't want to reuse a wrap, you want to make sure to wash it after every baby. So if you're having more than 1 baby a day, or you can't get to laundry that day and both babies want cream wraps, you should probably have at least 2 or 3 of the same color. We have a basic stretch wrap, and this is a stretch wrap that we have in our store, and it's just a basic, nice stretch wrap. If I measure this wrap, unstretched, it's about 18, but it stretches pretty wide. You want something that's going to stretch pretty wide. So when we stretch it at its widest, it goes to about 34 inches. The length is usually about 2 or 3 feet. So if I show you the length of this wrap, yeah, you can see that I'm not even to the end and it's 60. It's probably about 72 inches long. So you want a nice long wrap. Many times I use this as a base wrap. You can see in some of the videos that I have double wraps. So on bigger babies or babies that are looser, I'll put it as a base wrap and wrap the baby with this wrap and then wrap over it. Sometimes I may use 2 of the same color, or I may use more of a mohair wrap. Now with a mohair wrap, they're usually smaller. And they're usually only about 10 to 12 inches, and they're usually much smaller. This is great for doing things like bows that I show you in the video, and for just kind of putting an extra level of decoration over your base wrap. They are very gentle, and you need to usually hand wash them. They're usually mohair or a soft, gentle knit. The other is a jersey wrap, and the jersey wraps are usually pretty long. They're usually about at least 2 yards long, and they're usually at least about 2 feet wide, and you want nice and stretchy. And what's great about jersey wraps is you can usually get them various tones and textures, and it's the same type of material that would be used to make a shirt. So when you're at the fabric store, if you're buying your own or making your own, just feel the stretch. This is very bouncy and stretchy, and this also has a nice stretch to it. The mohair has a stretch, but you can only pull it so far before you start losing the holes. You'll see in the videos that I use many different types of wraps. As you grow in your business, you'll also start adding many different types of wraps. I think the important thing is to make sure you have a good basic stretch wrap that you can then add to on top of that.